You've been living in your Thornton, Colorado home for years, and you know it's time to replace that old, worn-out roof. But as you look through your options, you can't help but feel overwhelmed. But here's the good news. A modern asphalt shingle roof will offer better protection against harsh weather, improved energy efficiency, and years of low-maintenance costs. Sounds too good to be true, right? Let's dive in. First off, a new roof can withstand high winds and extreme weather conditions, potentially saving you hundreds of dollars on insurance premiums. Secondly, when you use experts like the pros at Roof Worx, your new roof system will have the best in attic ventilation design, allowing your attic to breathe better and make it easier to cool your home. Finally, asphalt shingles require minimal maintenance, saving you money on costly repairs and upkeep expenses. So, if you're looking for the perfect roofing solution for your Thornton home, call Roof Worx at 303-353-1825 to get a free quote. We use superior materials and high integrity in our work, so you can trust us with your home. Don't wait any longer. Call us now.